10 lines essay on my study room in English. My study room is very simple. There is a long desk placed against the wall. Wall means diwar. I have a wooden chair with a cushion to sit on. Cushion means sofa. Wooden chair lakdi ki kursi. On my desk is a study lamp. My desk has a drawer that I can slide out or in to keep my pencils. Drawer means daraz. On the wall above my desk is a chart. I am a great fan of Manchester, India. I put their photos there. In one corner of the room there are a small carpet and a cushion. I like to sit there and read a book. My study room has a ceiling fan. The walls are painted in light purple. A picture of Mickey Mouse reading a book is on the door. I like my simple and clean study room. I like the quiet atmosphere as it is very conducive for studying. I am spared of all distractions when I am in my own study room. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.